My wing is tickling.
Loba and Funtime Foxy, get your butt over here right now. It's gonna slap you right across the room, man. Okay. Okay. Do y'all know how, ouch. Why you do that, mate? Let me just... When you get some wizard, somebody that's really fast, that could go to the future, and the past, and then get the weird things from that could heal other people with weird things. How about Foxy? Like regular Foxy. Are you gonna talk?
Sure, yeah. Okay, let's just let Foxy go.
Which Foxy?
That Foxy. The red one.
Yeah.
What
are you talking about? Motherfucking you, motherfucker. Okay then, Foxy, you're right here, mate. So, Foxy, can you go around the past?
Oh, damn,
What you feel? I like to sleep. I have no legs. Okay.
Oh, damn. Hello. My name is Kaka. Spot in the face. Get out of here.
I'm back. I got the weird thing that's really pink. Drink it. Drink it. Drink it right now. It's gonna slap you all over. Are you drinking it?
Yeah, I drink it.
2,000 years later. Well, an hour later. He has not been sneezing. Okay, bye.